Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus sin x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about cosine s dx, because first derivative of sine s, you got about cosine s. This one we change by u. Cosine s dx we change by du. The integration of this one, you got ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.